Next, let's have a look at how we close a file. So I have a file open, my_file_2. We have opened the file here, open a file, my_file_2 equals open, and then we open the file in read-only mode. And then we printed the content of the first two lines of the file using the my_file_2 read line methods. And what we can do is if we print my_file_2 dot, and we can see the options inside here, and one of them is closed. So if we double click closed, this will check if our file is open or closed, and it will give us a Boolean result back of true or false. So if we run the file, we can see at the bottom here it says false because the file is open. By the way, there's another way of opening files which closes them for you, so we don't have to close them, and we will have a look at that shortly as well, and that's with the with statement. But in this situation we need to close the file. So after we have completed the reading and writing files in Python, it needs to be closed using the closed function. And files do need to be closed after we have read them or we have wrote to them, because this will free up system resources the file was using, and it will ensure data has been written to the file. Otherwise, in some situations, changes may not show up on the file until you have closed the file. So the way we do that is use the close function. So if we run myfile2.close, and let's print the Boolean result again to confirm it's closed. So the first time it should say it's false, but the second time it should say it's true. So now we have false because we hadn't closed it, but then we run the file.close, and when we printed it, now we can see it's true. So the file has been closed. And that's it for this video. That's how you close a file.